We're back again, and this time we got my twin. We got my twin as a beautiful model here. Welcome back to the channel. So you already know what we're getting into first. We are prepping the skin. We first cleansed it with the Micellar cleansing water, and then we're going in with the Pond's moisturizing cream to moisturize her face. And of course, everything will be listed down below in the description box. And then I am also priming with the e.l.f. grip primer and just working that into her skin. So let's get into it. So I'm using the Benefit brow pencil to fill in her brows, and yes, they can look a little crazy in the beginning, girl, okay? But you gotta trust the process, you know this. So you're gonna see me just filling those in, and then when it comes to the concealer and concealing the brows, you'll see it all come together. And now for the fun part, the concealer. So I just zoomed in a little bit, so hopefully you can see a little better. I'm using the Milani and the, is it Too Faced, I believe, concealers to sculpt out her brows. Now this is the part where you will begin to see the brows kind of come together in their shape, and you just have to work with it, follow the natural shape of her brows. That's what you see me doing here, and just really taking my time. And so here, I'm just taking a Real Techniques dense brush just to blend out the edges around the concealer. And yes, girl, I know the brow looking a little wonky, but it's going to come together like bam, okay, period. You just have to take your time and work with it. All right, and then I'm just blending out the edges again, and I'm about to go in with the foundation, Black Opal, of course. I love that drugstore foundation. It's one of my favorites, and I'm using Beautiful Bronze as well as Nutmeg for her. I'm just mixing those two together. patting motions and not dragging. Okay, if you drag your brush, it will definitely cause streaks and the foundation will not come out as flawless as it possibly could. So just be sure that you use patting motions. You can really take your time on this part as well. There's no need to rush because it's a process. So just take your time blending everything out, making sure everything is meshed into her skin well. So here I am just going in with the foundation shade to put on the edges of the concealer. I'm using the same color concealers as I did to carve out her brows. And I'm just going to let that sit for a moment. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty, I think it's the matte stick. I cannot think of the color, but it will be listed down below, just to contour and bring out those features from a girl. See me going back and forth between the foundation brush and the concealer brush, just being sure that everything is blended well. So now you see me using my Real Technique setting brush to just blend out all of those creases under her eyes before I go in with the Laura Mercier blurring powder in the shade Translucent. You really want to be sure you get rid of all those creases and be sure that the foundation is well blended before setting everything, because if you use the powder before everything is already blended, you will have a hot mess on your hands. So please take your time and blend, blend, blend. And I'm using a powder puff to place the setting powder under her eyes. I did find some of these off of Amazon, so these are really easy to find. They have plenty of them all around Temu, Amazon, beauty supply stores. And now you will see me going in with the I believe it's Makeup by Melissa, the Nude Persuasion palette, to bronze up her face.
It's been so hard for me to do right. I'm trying to take myself to new heights. I've done some things that I'm ashamed of. Popping pills and
And using that same palette, I'm using that as well for her eyeshadow, and a Juvias Place palette, the Warrior 2, I think, for the blush. And the OG lip liner, MAC, in the color Chestnut, and then going in with the NYX Lingerie Suede Liquid Lipstick, and then topping it off with the Fortune Cookie NYX Lip Butter Gloss, and then we're going to seal the deal. So now we are taking the Maybelline mascara and just popping it under her, on her lower lash line. Yes, and then we're going to go in with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray as well as the Max Fix Plus to set everything in. And voila, you have a natural glam beat. My girl is looking stunning. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.